Hey, this is Kelsey with another affiliate marketing business video, and this one is designed to help you understand what the 5 steps to your financial freedom lifestyle are as an affiliate marketer. So let's dive right into today's training. And the first step to help fund your what I call fabulous freedom lifestyle involves first the creation of initial cash flow. All right, so you need an initial cash flow to get started, and that's going to come from a job or from some type of self employment. So that's the first level of income. Now, that level of income is going to cover your current lifestyle operating expenses, if you will, and you're going to take money from that job income and you're going to invest in an affiliate marketing business. So that business is going to allow you to now generate business cash flow or business income, right, from the funds or the commissions that you earn from your affiliate marketing business. Then from there, you'll be able to now um, invest further into your affiliate business and generate what's called passive business income. And this is when you grow your business to the point to where it's systematized now. And now you can multiply your cash flow. And from this passive business income, you'll be able to cover your affiliate business operating expenses. Then from there, you'll be able to take that cash flow from your passive business income and you can now fund investments or other investments outside of your affiliate marketing business system. So these are more like long-term assets. Your affiliate marketing business is more of a short-term asset because you're looking at a quicker return on investment. But now you can start taking some of that passive business income from your business and starting to invest in your long-term assets such as real estate or precious metals or whatever you want to invest in. So ultimately you want to take that cash flow from your additional investment and you want that cash flow now, which is considered passive investment income, to now cover your desired lifestyle operating expenses. And this is how you fund your fabulous freedom lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was an effective video for you and it provided you with some new information. If not, maybe a review of information you heard before. But I encourage you to continue on the journey to financial freedom as an affiliate marketer. And I will see you in the next video.